Hey family, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and today we're diving into the number one question I hear from cleaning business owners. How do I price my commercial cleaning services right? Pricing isn't just about math, it's a strategy. And guess what? This topic is trending now, and that means it's the perfect time to get this right and separate yourself from the competition. Too many business owners are out here guessing, underbidding, or missing opportunities because they don't understand how to calculate true costs, factor in labor, supplies, and profit. Or even worse, they copy someone else's bid, like I used to do with the franchises. And like I said, every client was tearing them proposals apart. So that's how you lose money or contracts. We don't do that here at KSC. So I'm going to invite you to my special birthday masterclass, the bidding blueprint, happening on my birthday, September the 7th. I'm going to be 65. And guess what? The cost is only $65. I'm going to break down the entire pricing process step by step. You'll walk away knowing how to evaluate a building, what questions to ask on a walkthrough, how to calculate labor and supply costs, and how to package your price to actually win the job. Now, why this matters? Because this isn't just a class. It's your shortcut to becoming a professional in the game most people never master. Now, I've survived 4 brain aneurysms, built a commercial cleaning company that bids $1 million contracts, and now I teach others how to do the same. So if I could do it, so can you. So let me show you how. Now, if you want to get into the masterclass, you just look in the description and hit the link. And seats are limited because, see, I like to keep things intimate and give value. So let's get you bidding smarter, pricing right, and securing contracts. I'll see you at the top and in the masterclass. Now, the birthday special masterclass is 1 day only, and I'm doing this. I want to give back for my birthday. So this here, actually, September is a milestone for me. It's first would be the anniversary of my aneurysm. I'll be coming up on, oh shoot, I forgot, is it 22 or 23 years surviving the brain aneurysm. Then my birthday is September the 7th. And also the first, I messed this all up. The first is my business 15-year anniversary, then the brain aneurysm, and then my birthday. So September is like really significant. It used to be around this time I get scared because since my aneurysm happened in the month of September, I would get scared during September. And then I would uh, celebrate my birthday and forget I was born again with the aneurysm. So now I'm not scared of September no more. So what I want to do for my birthday is give back. So I'm going to spend my actual birthday teaching you guys how to win. So I see you in the masterclass.